From this distant vantage point, the Earth might not seem of any particular interest. But for us, it's different. Consider again that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. On it, everyone you know, everyone you love, suspended in a sunbeam. In our obscurity, our posturings, our imagined self-importance are challenged by this pull.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
Masters of a fraction of a dot suspended in a sunbeam. The Earth is a very small stage in a vast cosmic arena. It underscores our responsibility to deal more kindly with one another and to preserve and cherish the pale blue dot.